In this video, we will show you how to replace your serpentine belt on this Dodge Ram. This will be mounted along the pulleys along the front of your engine. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. The first thing you want to do before you start removing your serpentine belt is to take note of exactly which pulleys it goes over and which ones it goes under, and of course also the routing. There is a sticker that will show you the correct routing in case you happen to forget. Now with that said, let's make our way down here to the serpentine belt tensioner. For this, we're going to use a 15mm. We'll be turning this clockwise, and that'll release tension from our serpentine belt. Now that we've released tension, we can pull the belt off of the pulleys. We can take that belt and slide it off of the alternator pulley here. Now we can remove our serpentine belt tool. At this point, we'll start removing the serpentine belt from the area. Sometimes it gets stuck on the crank down on the bottom there. Pull this up and out of here. There it is, friends. Now that you have the belt off of there, it's a good idea to try to spin all of the pulleys. You want to make sure none of them make a squeaking noise or have movement. All these pulleys feel good. Once you've done that, you'd want to compare your brand new belt to the original belt. Ensure that they're the same length and that they have the same amount of ribs on the inside. After we've completed that, we'll continue with our installation, starting down at the crank, which is the lowest pulley. I'm going to bring the backside around that water pump, which is the smooth pulley in the center. We'll continue bringing the belt all the way over around the power steering pump towards the driver's side, or the left side of the engine. Bring that up and over the AC compressor pulley. While we're holding slack on this, I'm going to double check to make sure the belt's sitting properly on the crank, down at the bottom there. Now, I'll come underneath the idler pulley here. Put this up on there. We'll continue on with our serpentine belt tool. Turn this tensioner clockwise, and then we can slide the belt over the alternator. Now, once we have the belt on there, it's important to pay attention to each one of your pulleys, especially the ribbed ones that have all the grooves. You want to ensure that the belt is sitting properly inside of each one of the grooves. If the belt is off even by one tooth, you're going to destroy your brand new belt. So double check each one of your pulleys. Okay friends, we showed you how to install your serpentine belt on your vehicle. Once you've confirmed that you're sitting properly on each one of the pulleys, go ahead and hop inside that passenger compartment. Start up the vehicle and let it run for approximately 5 seconds and turn it right back off. We'll make our way back out here and triple check the belt, ensuring that it's sitting on each one of the pulleys properly. Once you're sure that it's on there as it should be, go ahead and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.